Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 18 divided by 3 parenthesis 2 plus 4. Now we start by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we start parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we start from left to right, and addition or subtraction we start from left to right. Now we have one division and one parenthesis. According to the rule, first we start parenthesis. So 18 divided by 3, and here is multiplication, and inside of the parenthesis they give us 2 plus 4, they give us 6. Now we have one division and one multiplication. According to the rule, multiplication or division we sort from left to right. Now in left side we have division. So first we start division, then we start multiplication. So 18 divided by 3, they give us 6, and multiply by 6. And 6 times 6, they give us 36. So the final answer is 36. Thanks for watching.